Hi kids, welcome back to Moony. Today we're going to learn all about emergency vehicles. We have a police car, an ambulance, and a police helicopter.
Yay!
Look, let's start with the police car. This police car comes with 3 buttons. Should we see what they do?
Yes!
That's the sound of the engine starting. If you hear a police car honk and flash its sirens, that means you should get out of the way. We all know that sound. That's when a police car has to go fight crime. Did you know that most police cars are turbocharged? That means they go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.7 seconds.
Wow!
That's really fast. Look, next we have an ambulance. This ambulance has a button. Let's see what it does. That's the sound of the siren. When you call 911 for an emergency and an ambulance needs to come on site, you'll see one of these going down the street. If it's making this sound, that means move out of the way. Did you know in the 1400s that ambulances were carried by horses? Nay! Next we have a police helicopter. This police helicopter has 1 button. Let's see what it does. Police helicopters help police officers get to the scene faster or in locations where a car might be hard to reach. They also help spot crime.
Wow!
Did you know that police helicopters have a camera inside? That helps them spot crime from the sky. The camera can zoom in almost 5 miles.
Wow!
How crazy is that? Oh no! I spot the crime. So much fun learning about all of these emergency rescue vehicles with you today. From all of us, stay safe and don't forget, wave goodnight to the moon for me.